Now on my last video, and I'll leave a link to this at the end of this video, we made this beautiful lemon butter. Now I did say I was going to make some recipes with this, and of course this is the first recipe we're going to be using this delicious lemon butter. Stay tuned. It's an easy recipe, so simple to make. Your guests are going to love it. It looks fabulous and it tastes absolutely amazing. So come on guys, let's get cooking and we'll get on with the recipe. Okay, so the first part of the recipe, we're going to need 1 sheet of puff pastry. We're going to cut this into even strips. So with a pizza cutter, I'm just going to mark off there where I'm going to cut it, make sure that I've got the equal lines. We can always trim this up if it's not absolutely perfect, don't stress too much. And we just want to roll all the way down, and again all the way down. Now with some egg wash, I'm going to brush the puff pastry. We're going to sprinkle with a little bit of caster sugar, about a tablespoon of caster sugar. Just going to sweeten it up a little bit, gives it that nice crunchy topping as well. Now I'm just going to remove the pastry from here and lay it onto our baking tray. Now depending on the size of your baking tray, you might need to do this in a couple of stages. So I can only fit 2 on my baking tray here because my oven's quite small. I'm going to bake these 2 off now. 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, gas mark 6 I think it is. Don't quote me on the gas mark, it's been ages. But anyway, I'm going to bake these off now, and before they go into the oven, I just want to, with a fork, just dot them. All the way along there, so they don't puff up when they cook. Alright, into the oven they go. Okay, so I've taken all 3 of the puff pastry strips out and they're cooling down. They must be completely cold, because when we assemble this we're going to be using fresh cream, that beautiful lemon curd and some fresh raspberries. It's going to be delicious.